DP Ordinal Numbers Homework 1. Okay, so for this first part, it says, look at the word and answer the question. So you're looking at this word, calendario, and then answering these questions. ¿Cuál is what is? So it's asking, what is the primera letra, the first letter? So I'd look and say, oh, that's a C. So then I'm going to click in there and type C. And then the next one, ¿cuál es la cuarta? So you have to go through your list and figure out what letter it is. So you have to figure out first, what are those words? What is the order? First, second, third, fourth, and then you count and go from there. For this next part, it says, complete the sentence with an ordinal number. Write out the word. So these are months of the year. So you have to say August is the, well, I know if I go January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, August is the 8th month. So for that one, I'm looking for the word eighth, which in Spanish is octavo. I'm going to erase these just so I don't accidentally leave free answers in here. And then the next part says, put the holidays in chronological order. Write out the ordinal number. So don't just put first or second or something like that. You need to actually write the word. That's the whole point of this. So for this one, you have to look through, figure out what they are. You can look at the keywords. You'll be able to figure it out pretty easily. And then you also have pictures. And then put that in order. On the second page, it says, mira la línea de niños. So look at this line of children. Linda es el líder de la línea. So Linda is the leader of the line. So that tells us that she's at the front of the line. Then you have to answer these questions. So it's asking, ¿Quién está en el 10º lugar? Décimo is our key word, 10th place. So then we'd have to count down, figure out who it is, and then write their name. Then basically it's just saying the same question over and over again. Sometimes it'll say en cuál, sometimes it'll say quién está, but it just wants to know what place are these people. For this one, number 2, in what place is Linda? So Linda's the first one, so I'm going to say that she is in the first place. So I'll just write first, which is primero o primera. I'm going to use primero. Then we have this, ¿Quién está en el 9º lugar? So the 9th place, 5th place, 3rd, etc. So go through, figure out what it's asking. Let me erase my freebie answer. And then on the bottom it says, answer the following questions with an ordinal number in Spanish. If Linda goes to the back of the line, then what place would Fred be in? Or if James switches place with Janet, so here's Janet, there's James, what place would James be in if he switched? So read through those, and that is it. That's your homework.